Friends, the project worth thousands of crores of rupees which have been either launched or their foundation stones have been laid today, an important step towards India's energy security and green future. These projects are going to reinforce our goals for renewable energy, our commitment to green technology, and our aspirants for green mobility. These projects will also create a large number of green jobs in the country. Even though these projects are related to Telangana, Kerala, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Ladakh, its benefits are going to reach across the country. Friends, there has been an intensive discussion in the past years about running the country's vehicles as well as kitchens using hydrogen gas. Today, India has taken a major step towards the same. The work on two major projects of green hydrogen in Ladakh and Gujarat is starting from today. The plant being set up in Ladakh will produce green hydrogen for vehicles in the country. This will be the benefit first project in the country which will enable the commercial use of green hydrogen based transport. This is Ladakh will be the first place in the country where full cell electric vehicles will start running very soon. It will also help in making Ladakh a carbon neutral zone. Friends, for the first time in the country, the project of blending green hydrogen with piped natural gas has also started in Gujarat. So far, we have been blending ethanol in petrol and aviation fuel, but now we are also moving towards blending green hydrogen with piped natural gas. This will reduce foreign dependence on natural gas, and the money that used to go out of the country will be used in the country itself. Friends, the condition of the country's power sector 8 years ago is well known to all the veterans present in this program. In our country, there was a problem with a grid. Grids used to fail, power generation was decreasing, power cuts were rising, and the distribution was in turmoil. Under such circumstances, 8 years ago, we took the initiative to transform every part of the country's power sector. Four different aspects were worked upon together to improve the power system: generation, transmission, distribution, and most importantly, connection. You also know how all these are related to each other. If there is no generation, the transmission distribution system will not be strong. In that case, giving a connection will be of no use. Therefore, we have put all our efforts in order to generate maximum power for effective distribution of electricity across the country, for modernization of the old network connected with transmission, and for providing electricity connections to crores of households of the country. As a result of these efforts, today not only in the electricity reaching every household in the country, but electricity is now available for longer hours. In the last 8 years, about 1,70,000 MW of electricity generation capacity has been added in the country. One nation, one power grid has become the strength of the country today. About 1,70,000 circuit kilometers of transmission lines have been laid to connect the entire country. We are also reaching the target of saturation by giving about 3 crore electricity connections under Subhaya Yojana. Friends, in order to ensure that our power sector is efficient, effective, and electricity is accessible to the general public, necessary reforms are being made continuously over the years. The new power reform scheme, which has been started today, is yet another step taken in this direction. Under these arrangements, like smart metering will also be made to reduce power loss, which will increase efficiency. The complaints related to electricity consumption will end. Necessary financial assistance will also be provided to disco ms across the country so that they can build modern infrastructure and make necessary reforms to empower themselves financially. So power of a discom ms will increase and the public will be able to get enough power. Consequently, our power sector will be further strengthened.